Now I am opening the box. And here is the Gigabyte H410 S2H motherboard. It made with Comet Lake technology and the socket is 1200. There is 2 slots for RAM. And 1 slot for graphic card. Here is the place to put the CPU. Here I install the M2 SSD. In the box there is a data cable and a back port bracket. I use Intel i3-10.100 CPU. It is 2020 model and there is 4 core and 8 threads and processor frequency is around 3.6 GHz. Inside the box there is a stock cooler and the processor. I use 16GB 2666 MHz Corsair Vengeance RAM. This is the XPG's 256GB M2 SSD. There is 3350 megabytes per second read speed and 1150 megabytes per second write speed. And this is the 1TB Western Digital HDD. Now I am going to install the processor in his place. On the processor there is a trigon and the same trigon there is on the motherboard. Install the processor facing the same place. Close the bracket with the small handle. Install the stock fan by pressing the plastics. Open the ears on the slots and install the RAM firstly on the left slot. Install the SSD cross and fix it with plastic. Install the back port bracket. Now take all inside the case and fix them with screw. This is the Thermaltake's 550 watt 80 plus PSU, and also there is a RGB lighting fan.
That's good.
Three, two, one, drop it. Are you ready for this? Pass that back to the gang of boys. Let's go. Lose control. Slip, slide,